Hi, welcome back to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. I'm Graham and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this 2017 on a 67 reg Porsche Macan S. Now this car is finished in the Agate Grey Metallic and has some very nice factory options. In fact, this car has over £4,700 worth of factory options. So we've got the Agate Grey Metallic, which is a gorgeous colour for any Porsche, and it's sitting on the beautiful and must-have 20-inch RS Spyder Design alloy wheels. Now they're shod in 4 matching Michelin tyres, and externally it comes with the exterior black package, or what they call Monochrome Black exterior pack. Now this particular black exterior pack, so all the detailing, so the roof bars, the window surrounds are all finished in the black. The spoiler then is finished in the black, which, do you know, this used to be, or this has been, my own vehicle for the last 8 months, and I have never noticed the spoiler in black up until now. So we got the black spoiler, beautiful car. Now, the Macan S, obviously, outside can be recognised by the quad exhaust system, so you get a larger brake horsepower engine on this particular vehicle, and as I say, everything is in just gorgeous condition. So it's got the privacy glass. So externally, it has the GTS appearance. We've got parking sensors front and rear, and also a reversing camera. Electric tailgate then gives you the huge boot. They're the full tailored mat set Porsche mats, and then underneath there we then also have the storage compartment as well. So huge storage facility. Still has the obviously the Porsche first aid kit as well, but a 12-volt socket. But there's nothing really you can't fit in one of these. Now these are just such a fantastic dynamic drive. So you've got 4-wheel drive system, larger brakes. This one's just had brakes as well in a service that we've done here at Alpha Motors. We've got the LED daytime running lights also. But as of a car, I can't think of an SUV which arguably drives as good as one of these. They have to be the finest SUV driving 4-wheel drive. I mean, I've drove 911s, 991s, 992s. These have a very similar drive to those. So if you like a spirited drive, the Macan S is the car which is for you. Now again, part of the factory options are the comfort memory package. So the seats alone, the electric memory seats on these, we have extendable seats as well, the 14-way electric seats. That is a £1,044 extra. Power folding mirrors, and then as you can see inside we've got the monochrome black interior detail as well, and the piano black finish with the silver. Now the car's done 48,144 miles. I think I've done probably around about 4,500 miles in this car in the last 7 or 8 months, and I've thoroughly enjoyed every moment of owning this car. Gorgeous to drive, the quality and the build. There isn't anything which is as good as a Porsche in respect of the quality, the fit and finish, the engineering. We've got obviously the rear climate control, we've got rear USB also. I've just got one daughter at the moment who drives with us, so it's really had no traffic whatsoever really in the back. This has been, again, as I say, my wife's car that she's been using with school runs and then, shall we say, out and about of a weekend. But a beautiful vehicle. I'll be sorry to see this car go, to be fair. I've enjoyed it that much. So Porsche, 2 owners, Porsche service documentation before myself. The nice thing on a Porsche is that they're serviced every 2 years or 20,000 miles, so service intervals are nice. 4 matching tyres, 2 keys, everything that was there when it was new is still there today, and it's in beautiful order. So if you'd like any more information on it, you've got a part exchange, just give me a call. I'm Graham, there's Dominic on the camera, and there's Lee in the sales room. We've got some great finance packages if you need finance on it, but arguably the actual residual values on Macans, on any Porsche product at the moment, is fantastic. reduction of supply to market had just kept the prices really, really strong. But in saying that, residual prices of Porsches have always been high. Build quality's always been the best, and it's an aspirational vehicle. Fuel efficiency, phenomenal. We're getting 40 miles to the gallon out of this car. 3 litre. What more could you want, really? The performance of a 911, the road holding of a 911, but the practicality of an SUV. It's absolutely brilliant. So if you'd like any more information, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you in any way we can. So as for now, thanks for watching my video, and I look forward to your inquiry.